Morris, and I'm an aerial blaster with Vulcan Materials Company. As an aerial blaster, it's my responsibility to make sure that each location is provided with rock that is well fragmented and easy to dig, as well as allowing the location to maintain a high level of production and efficiency. My job really is as cool as it sounds. I get to blow up rock just about every day.
Diatomite is interesting because it's lighter than water and it can hold up to 75% water. So it makes for an interesting winter when we actually get rain here in California, which isn't as often as you might think. The best part of it is this is my office.
Some of what I do here is tech support. I do training, teaching people how to use the software to develop mine plans and reserve estimations, things like that. In addition to that, I also do a bit of marketing, a little bit of sales, and I'll do bug testing on my 5 computers set up here. Favorite part about the job is that I get to work with a lot of different sectors of mining. So today I'm going to be helping an engineer learn how to use the software to develop his limestone mine. 2 weeks ago I was at a school helping students work on a coal project. Last month I was in Australia helping consultants learn the software to develop a gold deposit. All the while I've been bug testing for our new blasting software.
And currently I do quality control, so you'll see a little bit of that right now. Quality control is something you'll learn more about in your mineral processing class your junior year. Alright, so basically we have to sample all the rocks here, the different size rocks, and make sure they meet state specifications. So we weigh them, we shake them, we sample them, we test them, we split them, and make sure they are up to state par. Another thing I get to do is work with each processing plant and make sure they are as efficient as possible.
I do deep water cementing in the Gulf of Mexico, about 180 miles south of New Orleans. Out here the water is 4,300 feet deep, and the wells we're drilling are over 5 miles deep. So it's a complex operation with a high level of engineering, and it's a lot of fun. My job is to design and execute placing cement downhole after each section of the well is drilled.
I've been with Uniman since I graduated. Started out as a new graduate trainee. I went through a couple different departments on the technical services side, project engineering, process engineering, mine planning, geology, and environmental affairs, and then came to the plant as a plant engineer in late 2013. And then after about a year here at the plant, I got promoted to superintendent. So on a day-to-day basis, I deal with anything from scheduling production, scheduling the hourly guys, the workforce, scheduling shipments to customers, dealing with any issues maintenance-wise at the plant, working with the maintenance department. Also deal with the financial side, having to watch what we're spending money on and explain any excessive expenditures. So really involved in about every aspect of the plant.
My responsibilities include developing safety alerts to share with the mining industry and working with manufacturers to improve their safety systems.
Some of the perks to my job is I travel all over the world to countries like Brazil, Jamaica, and the Ukraine, and have a company vehicle I use to travel to different customer sites within the United States. I am very well compensated, but don't tell my boss that. I am currently learning Portuguese to improve customer relations and my social experience for future travels to Brazil.
The group I work with is the Fires and Explosions group, and a large part of our research revolves around inerting coal dust explosions, which is probably one of my favorite topics to cover. Who doesn't like setting off explosions?
Through my internship and my job here, I have worked on a CM production crew, helped with longwall moves, timing models, hazard mapping, and just a bunch of different types of engineering projects.
Here in Baghdad, we're a surface mine, and we mine for copper and molybdenum. We control the mine from here, and my job is to provide technical support to the tower, and I help control the haul truck fleet. So basically, tell the trucks where to go.